Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the boo, ichamagos. And I'll also show you how to make the out-of-body effect work every time. A big thanks to Asena for requesting this awesome dance, and a big thanks to Cameron, who is the creator of this dance. Alright, so we're gonna break this dance into 3 mini sections, and then we're gonna do a full dance run through, and then we're gonna practice. And then at the very end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to make the out-of-body effect work for you on TikTok. Okay, let me just quickly show you what you're about to learn in the first mini section. Alright, so it goes boo. Ichamagos. Na 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 na. I do the most. Wait. Hey. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, let me break it down for you. So, the first one, freestyle whatever on the boo. You can go boo. You can go boo. Whatever. The next thing you want to do is put your arms up, zombie mode here. You want to lean to the right side. Stay for 2 seconds and then go back up, and then you want to hit it again. All right, so it's boo whatever, up, lean, back, and a fast. All right, from here you want to do 2 dolphin jumps here to your left, boom. Yeah, if you don't know how to do the dolphin move, I have a detailed tutorial on how to do that. Yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. All right, so right after the 2 dolphin jumps here, you want to go back to your front here, and then you want to sit down with both arms, smooth, all right? And then we go right way, left way, right way. Yeah, so the right is up here, the left is down here. Then you want to go opposite because you want to do the whoa. You can do whatever whoa you want, all right? So let's just rewind from the tip to the top. We want to go boo. Bring your arms up, go zombie to your right, back up, and then you want to hit it again, bang! From here you want to do dolphin, 1, 2. From here you want to turn to the front and go smooth, and then you go right way, left way, right way, and a whoa. And let me quickly show you the timing. So it goes boom, ichamagos, na 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 na. I do the most. Wait, bang. Okay, time to practice. We're gonna go a bit slower. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boo. Ichamagos. Na 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 na. I do the most. Wait, bang. There isn't actually a bang, I just like saying bang, alright? So let's just do it again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Boo! Ichamagos. Na 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 na. I do the most. Wait, bang! Alright, moving on to mini section 2. Let me just quickly show you what you're about to learn. Alright, so right after whoa here, you want to go boom, hey, domino, time relay, ka. Now, let me break it down. So, right after whoa here, you want to bring your hands up like that, yeah? And then you just want to say clap, right? Pretty simple. From here, you want to go prep, you want to cross before you go out and down, all right? So, right after the woo, you want to bring your hands up, go clap, prep, out. Let's just try that. Well, yeah, let's just try that. So again, from the woo, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go up, clap, cross, out. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go hands up, clap, cross, and out. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, hands up, clap, cross, and out. Now, let me explain the broken clock here. So what you want to do is you want to say the right is on the inside, the left is on the outside, all right? And remember to bring your elbow in here, in the center-ish, and not out here, because then you can't really move it like that, right? So from here, you want to take the right arm that's on the inner side, you want to go up and clap the back hand of the left here that is going to continue down, boom, full circle, full circle, and then comes back and clap. All right, so let me just rewind. The right is on the inside, the left is on the outside, right? The right is gonna come up to your left, the left is gonna continue, full circle, all the way around, clap. Another small detail is when the left does this full circle here, when I'm around here, I wanna flip my hand around, yeah, because I wanna clap like that, all right? So from here, I'm turning it. So if you don't have it yet, just feel free to practice a few times before we move on, right? If you're ready, let's try and combine it with the previous part. So right after this, we want to go hands up, clap, cross, out, and then you want to do prep, here, here. All right? So let's try and practice that. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to start. From the whoa, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go up, clap, cross, out, prep, clap, clap. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go arms up, clap, and no, prep, clap, clap. Let's try one last time. 5, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go arms up, clap, and no, prep, clap, clap. All right, moving on to mini section 3, the last mini section. So let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. All right, so right after rook, you want to go bop, 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 a, sing, hip, hip, hip. Now, let me break it down for you. So the first part, box, 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 is kind of optional because it goes super fast. So if you can make it, go right, left, right. If not, just go directly to the next one, right? So the next one is just, let's just do the legs. You want to go left to the left, right gather, left again, and then you want to say right gather, and then you want to step to the right with the right. Right? So when you do it fast, you're just going to go like this. Left, right, right. All right? Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, right. All right? So the arms are saying, basically, the rest of the body is just saying lean and sing. Yeah, so this is the microphone. All right, so let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go lean and sing. All right, and then from here, you just want to say, hit your hip here, both arms. Then you want to cross, and then you want to hit again. All right, so it's whoop, wah, whoop. All right, so that's basically the end. So let's just rewind a bit. End of mini section 2 was this part. From here, if you can make it, you want to go right, left, right. Then you want to go left, right, and right. And then hit, hit, hit. Now the timing is breaking my back and cut, singing my song. And then from here is just whatever. Hey, so let's just try and practice that. 5, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Breaking my back, da, da, singing my song, ba, ba, ba. Okay, maybe we should do that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, breaking my back, and tap, singing my song, ka, 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 8. Alright guys, time to do the full dance from the tip top. I'm just gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. Alright guys, so quick run through from the tip top. Starts with you going boo, whatever you want, freestyle. Then you wanna say up here, zombie, to the right, go back, and then you wanna hit it again fast, boom. And then you wanna turn to the side and go dolphin 1 time, 2 times, and then you wanna turn to the front again and go whoa, smooth. From here you wanna go right way, left, right, and then you want to do the whoa, however you want. Hey, from here, both arms up. You want to say clap before you say cross, no, and then you want to go prep for the clock here. Click, click, and then boom, boom, left, right, left, right. And then you want to say back, here, step, in, right, sing. And then you want to say hit, 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 whatever. And the timing goes, boom. I'm a ghost. Na 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 na. I'll do it all. Wait, wait, wait. Whoa. Na 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 na. Ka. Domino. Time relay. Ka. Ka. Breaking my back. And ha. Singing my song. Woom, woom, woom. Hey. Alright, time to practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Boo. I'm a ghost. Na 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 na. I do all. Wait, wait, wait. Da da da. Ka. Domino. Time re. Ka. Ka. Breaking my back. And woom. Singing my song. Ka. Ka. Hey! Okay guys, let's try it a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Boo! I'm a ghost. And na na na, na na na. I do it most. Wait, wait, wait. Da 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 da. Ka and dominoes. Tyree. Ka, ka. Breaking my back. And ka. Singing my song. Ka, ka. Hey! Alright guys, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Boo! I'm a ghost. Da 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 na na na. I do it most. Wait, wait, wait. Boom. Na 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 na. Ka. Domino. Tyree. Ka. Ka. Breaking my back. And ka. Singing my song. Ka. 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 Hey! Alright guys, so let me just quickly explain how to use this out of body effect. So the secret is that it tracks your face. So if you're standing still for more than 1 or 2 seconds here, then it freezes, and then the way you remove it is you can either hide your face, yeah, or you can just get out of the picture, yeah, or the third one is just moving really fast so that it can't track your face, all right? And then, you know, some people say that you can look at it, but that's because that it loses your face once you turn your face, all right? So that's it. So now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. So that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do that. Boo! It's your ghost dance on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.